안녕하세요. 그 M.S.G에서 아무것도 맡지 않고 있는 그 연출 겸 촬영 기자 겸 편집을 맡고 있는 에드가라고 합니다. My 2-year life in the UK ended successfully with good memories and especially with the M.S.G cruise. Right after then, on my way back to Korea, I visited my best friend Hellier in Fishguard. He offered me a room for free and we spent a few days there. At the moment, my previous work on YouTube just came to my mind. I decided to cook him Korean food and record it for a new episode. I thought Bulgogi, our first dish on the first episode, would be good, so I bought ingredients from a local supermarket and then did the marinade a couple of hours ahead, following MasterChef's recipe. So, here we are. So, yeah. So, here we are. So, could you just introduce yourself to the viewers?
Well, I'm Hellier. I live here in Fishguard, which is in Pembrokeshire in the west of Wales. Mm-hmm. It's a small town by the sea, and I'm looking forward to tasting some Korean food this evening.
Yeah. Have you tasted Korean food before?
The only time I've had Korean food was when you visited a year ago and you cooked me something then.
Well, what did I cook for you?
It was a year ago, I've forgotten.
I've forgotten as well.
I remember it was nice, and I remember enjoying it. But I don't remember what it was. Sorry.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cook bulgogi for him, and then he can taste and can say if it's good or not, and then
I'm sure it's gonna be good.
I hope so. Yeah. So yeah, let me do it first.
Right.
Cool.
Okay. What do you want me to do? Just sit down here and enjoy doing
just
nothing.
support. Let's have a cook. Yeah.
Right.
So 요리를 시작해 봅시다. Begin cooking. Let's put on my hair first. It's too long, isn't it? I think it'll take just like a few minutes.
Really?
Yeah, because it's beef.
As quick as that?
Yeah.
Nice sound anyway.
Yeah. I like that sound.
Yeah. Sizzling.
Yeah. Really like surprised that there's no Chinese market in Fishguard.
The Chinese market, oh no. 2 Chinese takeaways,
Yeah.
but no Chinese market.
So like I saw 2 Chinese takeaway shops, so I thought like there was like some supermarket or something.
No, not around here. How's it doing?
This is so salty.
Did you put a lot of salt in it?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I just put sauces.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's done.
The marinating took a long
Yeah,
time.
long time.
And I suppose the chopping up of the meat and the vegetables took a long time. But the actual cooking was really quick.
Yeah.
So what do you call this dish?
bulgogi. Bulgogi.
Uh-huh. That's the Korean name.
Yeah. So
here we are. I'm going to taste it now.
What do you think? You must be honest, you know.
It's really good.
Really.
I've been completely honest. Taste is wonderful.
Right.
The meat is nice and tender.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't tasted the mushroom yet. I'm going to try that now.
Spring onion. Good. Good. Nice.
I think you should stay here and cook all the time. Open a Korean restaurant here
In Fishguard,
yes.
So we usually eat bulgogi with rice,
Mhm.
boiled rice, and some lettuce. And we've got some particular sauce. We call it samjang. Yeah. People have.
I don't think this needs any more sauce. I think it's nice as it is. What do you think of your own cooking?
A bit salty for me. Is it for you?
No.
No?
No.
Nice. So we got some left in the pot, so you could cook sometime.
I could finish it tomorrow.
Yeah, we could finish it.
Or tonight.
Tonight. Yeah. So I think it's good to cut off the video and then just have some whiskey with bulgogi. Right? For the YouTube, people subscribe and press the like button. Yeah, it would be help us
To produce more videos, will it?
Yeah.
Well, good. Well, I hope people watching this now, you press the like button. You should really do that, please. It's quite easy to do. Even I can do that, and I'm not clever with computers and things. But I know how to press a like button, and this food is really worth it.
Alright, thank you, Hellier. It's time.
Thank you, Edgar.
So, yeah, it's whiskey time.